Ghana in 2014 na ambulance I won Asante region na I think about 3 or so.
Na 4.
Yeah, 4. Na now the danko akofo 2017 2018 and I just say why more a launch ambulance one
for one constituency one ambulance.
We are simulation exercise and omo here. At the time omo a launch ambulance kesiye ye bie na ambulance cars
amode ye fanfare no
gu ho fanfare bebe near the Sanso Asante region na chese ye ma obi a enyane de e wo kuremu na obi a eje na ambulance chese this year the ionic aspect any I was something say o yare na okofa ambulance kuri e de akwa wan hwe ya the bisi.
Go fin ambulance don't come from us day. Oh yes, the truth must be told.
Every constituency ambulance.
It's not working.
Every constituency
it's not working.
Ambulance.
It's not working.
Now, and right was some we see here carry you whip just I ho. Accident see 10 year accident see. Am I the nipa na rashi bi ko nyine ye de binom Nkarie hospital ye koko pie ho a ebusanfo ambulance service for no say emergency on say twofold say ebia obi bi wo ebia normal approach bi na say obi be fa no ko I don't know you will have to pay. That is what you need to do. And sebia apart from that bibi foforo si na o pese wunya other explanation and I say bia BBSC yemfa no nko na yema no enkonko boa you need them, but this one was an emergency and this happened in a very very interesting moment and I don't pay you person some education at what point in time any be here the ambulance service at what point in time any be treska at what point in time you need that education kakra from a year my friend and the gentleman on the line. Prince, Bibi Aboko there. Nyamiadom, Bibi Aboko. What happened, Enra?
First of all, your friend Prince. We had mom carry emergency. Now, this is we the accident victims if we begin kwanaso at the bank carrier they were 3 in number. It's na 2 at the near very critical one bako none there no there are multiple fractures of the left hand as a nensa bunkum nifano nifano emu abubu a obehia orthopedic surgery the name so no who has here in the court conformity because you need that kind of services. In the know here in the court conformity and the driver and also sustain injury on na umuna being here say critical condition you don't conformity. Now the CN we call the ambulance for no. So far they get confirmation from Confornochi say Umuma and San Mama. Indeed we have to call Confornochi first. Now you get permission say any person may see anything you perceive in the bomb and sign it my ambulance. You know a unit free Confornochi any ambulance for no. And an ambulance so over for main station. That station now that umu umoyi ba ko fe edia nkaye constituency ambulance no emefa anaze bia bantima de ne free bantima de nefa nko conformity. That's how they do it. Into woman nkaye de no ba ko ebai ndi woman nkaye de ba ko ba no e chire no mda ma bebu fonzo so mu so mefa ba ko no nye de enko. They all came almost at the same time. So by a patient no. Now, by some patient now, drew almost say they need full fee and sana. Me alpha patient no do my day. And we told them that this is an emergency. Patients, they don't buy no. Relatives crying a day and count. So who is there to pay that full contribution? Also, with the patient. We discuss with them. We have to plead on the patient's behalf. Say, the situation when they home. Intimate son. A bit in your mom patient. We are making contact with relatives. If they come around that, we've rendered our services without taking any money from them.
Prince, as a hospital, no the kind intervened situation, no, the necessary first aid treatment.
Yes, sir. They stabilize.
Yes,
they'll be able to get to Confornoche. Assembly the ins now Confornoche. So further management also will be
and the ambulance service not just almost say omni fuel our car
so they can move the car.
What has been the routine procedure? Say more frail almost at first pointer.
When they come at first, the routine thing they do is say they take full contribution from the patient relatives.
Oh, say emergency crana sound or we answer.
When it's an emergency, that's how they do it.
Okay.
So they take contribution from the relatives. But when the relatives are not around, relatives meaning what they are, what they do is they will take the patient and later we will liaise with patient relatives. If you are able to get them, they later come and pay the full contribution.
I see.
That's what they do.
I see.
But this time around, when they came, they said, their bosses, their directors are saying when they come, they take money from patients without fueling the ambulance cars. And right now, they've given them something, a note, and an undertaking. So the relatives have to sign to show that they've given money to the ambulance service guys. So when they sign the undertaking, and in case omukono, the car no kose car no short fuel or kwema, and benefon be hu say omaji scan no man fuel bus no, oman fuel car no, and untino they will be held responsible. That's the new directive from benefon their mom. Say undertaking be chen benefon say omaji scan this amount every relative. So under no circumstance also a question. Petrol.
And at this situation, NRDCH is a hospital, non-carrier hospital, moment a pace car, a chiama ambulance for no sana.
Omutukano. Say, Omutukano as a red.
Wow.
So they can't move the fuel. They can't move the car without that fuel allow contribution. And we are asking, say, so think a patient on the who feel crana and other accident to see India a common baby now you can call the ambulance service for them to come and convey the patients to hospital. It is enka young creative scenario be say moko to patient no kwan and as you from the patient you kwan in the phone hospital. So when you get there who is going to pay for the full because at that point patient nobody is around to pay that full contribution. So because of the contribution, without the contribution, you can't take the patients to the hospital.
It took time back and forth with now so how many
2 hours?
2 hours. Now the ambulance for so many food. How many cars do you send buy?
The cars two. And carry and about free baby.
And to almost me 2 free baby and carry. I will be now. I better know when the food. Wow.
Another question is every time say, right now I'm using money for if you are not able to pay and the patients are not able to go now. More ambulance for the kwambe number form kind of free here. And they are more ambulance be on. Money for so red. In the now the end here. Okay, you have to go back. So full of them be free and carry. I say they are come back to maybe I'm free by. Now the $1 million question, but we couldn't get answers. So we have to contribute. This one will pay 100 cities, this guy will pay 100. We contributed and gave the money to.
It is the nurses, the doctors, na mujiji scan, na mujiji ambulance for the patients. We still have good people in this country. Nyamishra mo pa. But I'm surprised. I mean, it's an emergency there. Ba, one more efe nipa na kurako ansana. Later, Oma ba be pescareta kwa say bia enyimbi anaso obi a one person wa
emergency is supposed to run.
Yes,
that's how emergency is supposed to. I don't know why. Because emergency there, as I said, the ambulance service, no, the whole service don't understand the term emergency. When we say emergency, we are talking about something here immediate attention to save someone's life. Someone is bleeding. Someone intervene, the person will bleed and die. Someone is at the point of dying. So, an emergency, one thing about emergency is with the little thing that you do, the little help that you offer, is able to save someone's life.
My brother.
Emergency, you know, so what me had to keep to be quiet, me boa patient or so bleedy. What me they and to make a credit to at the end of the square, me and some emergency jaya, you will save the person's life. That's what we call emergency.
My brother,
emergency service, and the little things, the basic support of life, and they apply emergency situations. You save the patients from dying.
Nyamishra and career.
If you delay,
yes,
the patient can die.
Nyamishra and career government hospital for Nyamishra mo. Mate, you did your part, and God bless you. Akoma FMT for Damase. JB, I am worried, but it's very unfortunate. So, sir, the regional administrator, Nidini, is saying, is it why? What's the name? It didn't know. Yes, Siamt Dute.
Yeah.
Milon.
Yeah. Dute.
Yes, Dute.
That is DUU.
Yes. Why acknowledge so near Becca, but a crown or category. He's not.
That man is rude.
Oh, we are
sure. Oh, rude or a rude. Omuadie.
We are sure.
Omuadie.
But the warning is a worker for me come back to Brian launch ambulance. Ghana.
A do point to be a coffee.
Woman
say I buy a pointing kofobi momo head this institution they should look for knowledgeable people. Oh yes. Because no, you can't be doing this. You are talking about human lives. You are there to save human lives.
And come and tell us.
Do that normal education to people. Yeah, education.
You've given a platform.
Now, we are not a radio station said, yeah, man, a chance, no man make a sign. You see, people like they should not be given the chance to even head an institution.
It's
you should get knowledgeable people than these people.
It's unfortunate because time say when your first one, Takra, this will be a consistently. Ambulance one for so
I don't get it.
Abaya to Yaboka. How much did they cost for the 270 ambulance Ghana ni be na aka say me ho kire me free ambulance ya mami bi ye de koi
Kofi
I mean minim say ambulance de say obi ewo fie wo ba bia mere bia no betra ha wo manim hantwo be cheche wo free credit card ba be fa fia the ambulance na ba abaya bokato ambulance nyame adom ye ni ya ye ka
Enya cement na modetwe.
Mama sa video na Ghana be
enya cement na modetwe.
Ba cement na ye dey twen any.
Enya cement na modetwe. Now we obi wu. Na the purpose of bringing the ambulance to the timeline. No obi wu ni ye frau. Na wa be jira honum na odi zemhunu. Ye frau mo so na you na mo ye route to us. As if say Ghana ye mo dia, as if say cars na ye mo dia. Ambulance na nya mo dia. E ye Ghana for Japade. It's just a privilege so here so keke.
At the end of the
just
month.
Just a privilege.
At the end of the month. Salary. And we tend to blame government. Oh, now buying when we have the people sitting there.
If you touch him,
yes.
Brutal accident be see. Kofi me phone every ambulance for your voice message or whatever. Say you be about actually for more than 20 minutes.
No be
nobody responded the call. Emma me your distress call every DC. DC na no muto so frame me back at them so frame ambulance for this. Even their personal life they are not picking up.
They are not picking.
And people were dying. It took a police phobia had to rush to the police station. And you go for police for no more car e be fa for the call hospital.
I mean what is
so ambulance so say.
Service for na one more and at the end you have on my Ghana ya boka.
You
270
a lot of money.
Taxpayers' money. Asante region kwa yema yebe 49.
Yes.
Go confirm
Yes.
2. Carrier there, Bebu there, almost every district. Every constituency. Enya ambulance. Any idea go an ambulance no. You atiye for another problem frame can't me say nano na me wo me per ambulance ye frey no ye ba be fire. I mean
these people should be called to order.
Fu na enim no obi wu no. Just say this
ambulance go free. Ambulance enye free.
At a point in time they charge.
Because I don't have any problem.
But they charge when ebi a wo fie obi wo.
But you see,
your friend be fan of the
core mandate first
for emergency.
Yes, the core mandate first before any other thing.
Accident is when they are individual and carry a district a government hospital and afre. Mon funny panan komo ba. We will take
whatever it is. Yes, for more than 2 hours. People's life, you are losing people's life. Namu we are now. Yes, na moderate. Some in predators are moving yansa at the quaquatina baby at the quaquat chase men, but moving yansa for save people's life. You can't save people's lives. So to me the chase met emani ye dia and the moving yansa for 2 people's lives. What is this?
The bitter experience with ambulance. The service and kawope.
What they say? Innocent people have died as a result of the negligence of these people.
Na abrochire video bi anoma ka abrosanso. Anoma no ati abrosanso. Ye the ambulance any fire service any dia na je ho na ye anoma no. Na ye awurade. The living legend mpa na nkwa ye die.
Enye okrom ha.
Anoma me say I work as such a bed rescued. So you can say
Enra
the ambulance na dimirika anoma ketwa bi o. Na ye awurade Yesu makura achanka wo ya bo de mokwa
afa. You see eya da me ya. Sankofo we nom. Enyo mo zo.
Bosome so obegye ne
salary. Bosome so asanji ne sika.
Omo tete office wo tonton.
There's a certain regional administrator. No coordinator for all the region. I'm making sure say na kanye metumi koye. But some predators sankofo so kwa no mo adwenye. Not because we don't do this.
I think the bitter experience. When was the last time I engaged in the service of ambulance? For production line, mami 0547 9826 79 0547 9826 79. The last time I benefited from the ambulance service, engage na yenin komo 0547 9826 79. What a Fred and share that experience.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Soloniana. What's it say?
Monsieur, you know, Friday, no. Monsieur, safety. And you know, love me, I can't do it.
Or the dear Nana or a dear car.
Ambulance.
And or dear load near my say, yeah.
You can want some sir. I'm not ambulance. Come to the phone, you must say. And load on to the car to know. I don't know the way you can get a car
to say, solo. But we didn't say most of the cars in the crowd. The last time, say, a back could be a tafo, a and now move to Chakras or more. Cars in the crowd be crassy. They don't even maintain it. They don't even maintain it. You see, Papa be anywhere, Yan Wagana ha. Yaye ni ye etena na aban foforo aba na yaye dede abonsi esan kpoka na yakwa kwoto foforo na ye gbo abantiri so nti ba bia anka esanka yakwa yanim enka we ye maintain di anka the next 20 years at least esan na ye de bia asai na ye de foforo aba be shem. What was the last time we engaged in the service of ambulance and all from Okra? We nya wo mo na no mo edi djuma na person we di djuma no 0547 982679. Let me with discussion. Now you didn't come, but
unim. Ambulance about cost $133,000 US.
$133,000 US dollars.
$133,000
times 290, or let's say that's a time 30.
Na ye never be rescue people's life. Now to hold them now din. You talk about unnecessary things. Na ni pay wu. Na just wish and pray say sada no so be yaribi. No so be friendless for no mama me fa no afam wu.
Therefore, all journey on Facebook page. This story became a very explosive one. The video of ambulance servicer na yede train near mark yede train cement and no na wo hwe na me say there was this video anoma a bed pa ye ko rescue no with ambulance zene yi fire service for car ne niema ten ye twe kosoro but nipa yare as from carrier hospital authorities and the TSK I defer nipa timi free a hospital and for more than 2 hours hospital na enough for me there when they needed a referral services. Yeah, that's what we were because we thought we could. I mean, at the end, and I'll pay Maminya with the experience. Minia, good morning.
Good morning, Adriana.
Oba Pabeni. What is your better and experience on this ambulance in Komu?
Adriana Bampacho, very for no da hospital. It's no quapra, since no say a ration call G. Name oxygen, so no more ambulance full comfort, not sure by. Ambulance no buy no sense no the man be kon ji say ya tieska that is no papa no e dia na ba sa ta man ka se no so ka na mi nyini sound na wo se me papa ba no be ties ya de me man me kwa na papa ka cho mo say afa no oba hello afa no oba no do mo fa na nko no be hia mu oji ho no aye
de na ma wo mo
amo say obi wo ho a o de ni pa ne kwa wo ntie ntino ni se me papa tieska no
hospital no na hospital no na fresh so mo na me fa no
hospital na fresh so mo na me fa no wow mo me fa no come emergency o maye Adriana ba no mo twa me papa na be me papa so no na mu me so e me sini ya friend ko so adon no mo ta go nti jai no aye de wa russia ba na be no so ko mu went no mo de mo fa no come aye na si o mu di ni dru e ba ye betua ye nka si ye ntediana ba me ka wadwuma wo ye se o mu di ya ma me papa bai ansa no mo ta me ma me akoji ediana ba me ma me dru ho wa mi seconds kwa na ma me free
Jesus Christ
ediana ba enso ye te ha edami se na mi tie mi sa me se ambulance mu no ye bi o mu de fa cocaine ambulance munu bi ofe omo de fa cocaine ba no because nipa na dem na so ye cocaine mo fanji ye ni kema mu fo ne nkwa ne de da mo di biasika Adriana bagana ha ye mobo ehia fo ne ye mobo Adriana ba susu ampa se satam no minu ska e ka metwe ambulance no
go vise wo hu
Mira,
oxygen.
Oxygen because of this ambulance service.
Oh, Adriana ba.
Hey.
Adriana ba. Nipa oxygen sino so. Ya de me na mi dro ma si sakase to si ma me ne so lo.
Go visa fi wo.
Mama temamu for Adriana ba. Ya mobo.
That is a certain
Wama was here gume me ni kura tete kafra wate
ambulance for Adriana ba what ya dem kafra mo for ma na nko papa ne ba wo betua ka Adriana ba sikanti o ma fa na ko e twa papa na ma papa ne ba ye de na ni dru ho and se Adriana ne na me Adriana ba we know 42 years na ye ka chire wo 8 years
Kafra. Take me back to the ambulance cars now. Access and reach.
Go visa for the woman.
Get a crama mirror.
Offense
so dear.
Miss, no one else you were gross.
some of
Well,
them damaged parts were
community
parked
viral.
viral.
And the mechanism we do so.
And I wish you
The
offensive
basis
south.
Offensive
for
south,
the
And
yes.
also the NSA.
Packed
Way
at
back
Wayside
last year.
Shop
Oh,
for
yes.
barely free.
Quite also the
Any. This is
Sure.
what. Oh.
Omo pay na nadu da kwa Kufuado. At the 307 ambulances and the buy. Bakubia cost $133,000 US.
Home fan fair ni abona hey.
Ya hu bomume.
Monhwe so na Ghana enye japade na kire bi abafu from mama to ambulance.
So enkofo de wuwi. You are not providing the services to the people.
They say obi en ho of Ghana ho. And your bumping so they will sit in that office and continue to criticize unnecessarily.
Mr. Dakro,
good morning.
Good morning.
Bema me pacho wana menene kase.
Me pacho Abdallah ni.
Abdallah Frifi.
Me pa official government hospital. Ka ambulance me papa yare da oxygen no msi en transfer nkoji. Ambulance me so msi ni 20 cities ambulance ni ntu.
Tete no anasa enrechi adaben.
Last year November mu ya.
Me mpatable. Ate so man fa na nko je se matu asa 200.
Bro me ma me ni na ho mu so mu niska mu twem ma me firi bia me wo e bae. Ansa na 200 cities ne ba ansa na ka na etu.
Enti na ambulance na so mfa so ne den. Obi educate me e bia kofi.
Ye mfre. Ba e frɛ ba o de o hia ba me.
Because say emergency be say there. And at least we the nipa call. Then we pay.
Mo de no kokodru wi am say bia say no maja kakra bia ja so wa ya adwuma ma nipa no ye nipa ti won timi hwe wodin jesus scan banza na ka na tuko nti government ambulance ne de nim fa so e ba yo ura ta fuji so esi so bebre access ne si wo ohunu do mo de ye.
My brother Kafra na me chase I was secret my pick course on this ambulance. Here we are. The MC for yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho hweni.
Me pacho from Felix Kasafik Master Mama from.
Mamintio.
Yeah, Miss Nelson Sakra may share about this ambulance and they say bear 2 weeks in the can or done by and I walk on. But nurse in negligent in my program kakra by no some transfer free than by ordinary nurse hospital. Now, boy 11, your ambulance cash surgery, your full car and son or day, or banako. A Diana Banabi, 11 for send this car. And I'm sorted such a chance I will be sending 200 cities. A man, full car on Kufu and through 1 hour, and I can't me do hospital. And the other bus, Yankopa Adam. Yet, tweet again could do, baby, or said Nikona upon if
Jesus Christ.
Or banning and come back when you free.
You lost your baby.
Yeah, if we can't answer, emergency now, more ambulance is to use an emergency
service. What is it? And you one more you tell or
happen around 11.
And I do 11.
There 2 and some could do hospital or a day. Nothing I mean a yard man called Banner Crash and so Ghana no okay in see. Yeah, Bidia Basabasabasadiana Bamdasinano pay the media media boy.
Obi and this guy, what is the name? The dude guy as a original. You just tell us, educate us. Maybe now we don't have that information until you tell us. Oh, maybe I say any, and you sit there.